Logic gates. Logic gates. A logic gate is a logic gate is a gate. A logic gate is a gate which can have which can have any number of inputs, but only one output. Only one output, and the output is a logical result of the inputs. So a logic gate is a gate, or we can call it as a device which can have any number of inputs but only one output, and the output is a logical result of the inputs. This is the definition of the logic gate. So logic gate is a gate. It also we can call it as a device also. Logic gates. Fundamental logic gates. Fundamental logic gates. And universal logic gates. Universal logic gates. Special logic gates. Special logic gates. So logic gates are three types. What are they? Fundamental logic gates, universal logic gates, special logic gates. In fundamental logic gates, AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. In universal logic gates, we have two: NAND gate and NOR gate. Special logic gates, this we can call it as XOR gate or exclusive OR gate. XOR NOR gate. So logic gates are three types: so fundamental logic gates, universal logic gates, special logic gates. So fundamental logic gates, three: AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. Universal logic gates, NAND gate, NOR gate, and special logic gates are XOR gate and XNOR gate. First, fundamental logic gates. In fundamental logic gates, we have AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. So first one is AND gate. In every gate, we have symbol of the gate, and truth table for that gate, and electronic version of circuit, and that gate with transistors, transistor diagram. So first, symbol of the AND gate. This is the AND gate symbol. Here A comma B are two inputs. We get output here. So what is the output? Y equal to A dot B. That is the output. This is the AND gate symbol. Here A and B are both are inputs. This is the output. What is the output? Y equal to A dot B. So, AND gate is a logic gate that can have any number of inputs, but only one output. This is output. So AND gate is a logic gate that can have any number of inputs, but only one output we have. So the operation of AND logic gate is called as AND multiplication. So if A comma B are two inputs of AND gate, then output of AND gate is Y equal to A dot B. So here inputs we take only in binary digits 0, 1. So we take inputs only binary digits 0, 1. So if 0 means open, 1 means close. Okay. So 0, 1 binary digits. In logic gates, we are using only binary digits 0, 1. Next, truth table for this AND gate. Truth table. So truth table for this AND gate. Inputs A, B. Here we using only 0, 1. output condition is A dot B. Y equal to A dot B. So both inputs in case 1 0 0. We take a 0 0. So y equal to A dot B. 0 dot 0 we get 0. What is the output? 0. Next 0 1 condition. A input is in 0. B is in 1 condition. What is the output? Y equal to 0 dot 1. 0 dot 1 are also 0. Next another case 1 0. A input in 1 condition, B input in 0 condition. What is the output? Y equal to 1 dot 0 equal to 0. Next 1 1 condition. 1 1 condition. Both are in 1 condition. A input and B input in 1 condition. We get output y equal to 1 dot 1 equal to 1. This is truth table for AND gate. We have 4 conditions. Both inputs in 0 condition. Both inputs in 0 condition in case 1. In case 2, A input in 0 condition and B input in 1 condition. In case 3, A input in 1 condition and B input in 0 condition. And fourth case, both inputs are in 1 condition. We get output y equal to 0 dot 0, we get 0, 0 dot 1, 0, 1 dot 0, also 0, 1 dot 1 equal to 1. This is the symbol and truth table for AND gate. Next, symbol and truth table for AND gate completed. Next, electronic version. Electronic or electronic circuit for AND gate. Okay, so what is the diagram? This is the diagram for electronic version. Here A, here B, both are inputs. This is the battery. Here bulb is the output. This is the output. So what is the output in AND gate? Y equal to A dot B. When A comma B are inputs of the gate. A comma B are inputs of the gate. From this diagram, here bulb is output. Here bulb is output. So bulb also in 0 comma 1 condition only. So 0 means bulb is in off condition. 1 means bulb is in glow condition. Bulb will glow. Okay, so in AND gate, what are the conditions? 0 dot 0, 0 dot 1, 1 dot 0 and 1 dot 1. Here we get output 0, here we get output 0, here also output 0. Only here both the inputs in 1 condition, we get only output. In 4 cases, only in 1 condition we get the output, that is both the inputs in 1 1 condition. 1 1 condition means both the conditions closed condition. 0 means open condition, 1 means closed condition. So when both the inputs are closed condition, we get output. So in case 4, this is the case 1, this is the case 2, this is the case 3. So case 1 means both the inputs are in open condition. We get the result is bulb is in off condition or bulb will not glow. Case 2, if A input is in open condition, B input is in closed condition, we get the output is 0. 0 means bulb will in off condition. And in case 3, 1 comma 0 means A input is closed condition and B input is open condition. Again we get the answer is 0. Output is 0. 0 means bulb will in off condition. So in case 4 only, both the inputs are in 1 condition. 1 condition means both the inputs are closed condition. In closed condition, we get the output 1. Output 1 means bulb will glow or bulb will in on condition. This is the electronic version of the AND gate or electronic circuit for AND gate. So for AND gate, we have four cases. For AND gate, we have four cases: 0.0 and 0.1 and 1.0 and 1.1. For AND gate, we have symbol, and we have truth table and electronic circuit. Next, AND gate with diodes. AND gate with diodes. So this is the gates constructed, AND gates constructed using diodes. D1 and D2 are diodes. AND gate constructed using diodes. This is the diagram. So from diagram, AND gates constructed using diodes, that the output will be high. Output will be high only when both the diodes D1 and D2 are switched on by the inputs A and B. Okay, this output will be high. This output will be high when D1 and D2 diodes both are in switched on condition. By the inputs A and B. These two are inputs. We get output Y equal to A dot B for AND gate. This is only high for when A equal to B equal to 1. That is output Y equal to, we get A dot B. A dot B also 1. So next, AND gate constructed using transistors diagram. Here also this is diagram for AND gate using transistors. This is Q1 transistor, this is Q2 transistor, and this is Q3 transistor. Here A comma B inputs, A comma B inputs. Here also we get the output Y equal to A dot B, Y equal to A dot B. So Y equal to A dot B depends upon the transistors. So transistors depends upon the inputs. So here also when the two inputs both are in one condition, A equal to 1, B equal to 1, then we get the output Y equal to 1.1 equal to 1. These are the AND gate diagrams. AND gate diagrams. First AND gate symbol, AND gate symbol. Next truth table for AND gate, truth table for AND gate. Next electronic circuit for AND gate, electronic circuit for AND gate, and AND gate constructed by using diodes, and AND gate constructed by using transistors. These are about AND gate. Next, AND gate Boolean laws and Boolean laws are written as A dot 0 equal to A dot A equal to A dot 1 equal to A dot A bar equal to 0. These are the four conditions. These are the four conditions. So after AND gate, OR gate. So fundamental logic gates, AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. AND gate completed. Next OR gate. The symbolic representation of OR gate. The symbolic representation of OR gate. So this is the symbolic representation of OR gate. So here consider A comma B. Both are inputs. We get the output Y equal to here A plus B. A plus B. The operation of OR gate is called as OR addition. The operation of OR gate is called as OR addition. In AND gate we using dot. In OR gate addition. If A comma B are inputs of OR gate, we get the output Y equal to A plus B. So here also we have four conditions. Here also we have four conditions of inputs. So what are they? A equal to B equal to 0, one condition, or this is case 1. In case 2, A equal to 0, B equal to 1, this is case 2, or second condition. In case 3, A equal to 1 and B equal to 0. In case 4, both are in one condition. Both are in one condition. So in logic gates, we using only 0, 1 binary digits. 0, 1 binary digits. 0 means open, 1 means close. Next, truth table for this gate. Truth table. A, B inputs, Y equal to A plus B output. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Y equal to 0 plus 0 means we get 0. Y equal to 0 plus 1 equal to 0. Sorry, 1. Y equal to 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Y equal to 1 plus 1. This is truth table. In three conditions we have 1. In three conditions we have, in output we have one value. From this truth table, in three conditions we get the output value Y equal to 1. Next, electronic circuit. electronic circuit for OR gate. So this is the electronic circuit for OR gate. So from truth table, we can say that when the two inputs in zero condition, y equal to 0, that means bulb will not glow. Bulb will not glow. After three conditions, that means a equal to 0, b equal to 1, we get output y equal to 1, a equal to 1, b equal to 0, we get y equal to 1, and a equal to b equal to 1. In this also output y equal to 1. From this table, in these three conditions, y equal to 1, y equal to 1, y equal to 1, that means in this circuit, bulb will on condition. Bulb will in on condition, or we can say that bulb will in glow condition. Only in this one condition, only bulb will not glow. What is that condition? A equal to b equal to 0. That means A and B both inputs in open condition. A and B both the inputs are in open. Next, OR gate. OR gate constructed by diodes. Or AND gate. OR gate with diodes diagram. D1, D2 diode. Y equal to A plus B. So D1 and D2 both are diodes. A and B inputs of the inputs, and Y is the output. Y is the output. From this diagram, depending on inputs, D1 and D2 are give the output. So if A input is in low condition means 0, and B is in high condition means 1. Another condition, A is in high condition, B is in low condition. That means A equal to 1 and B equal to 0 condition. And both are in high condition. That means both are in one condition. A equal to B equal to 0. A equal to 0 comma B equal to 1, and A equal to 1 comma B equal to 0, and both are in high condition. In three cases, we get the, from this diagram we get the output also here also. Next, OR gate with transistors. Diagram. So this is the transistor diagram for OR gate. So this diagram also satisfies the truth table. Next, OR gate Boolean loss, that is a plus 0 equal to a plus a equal to a plus 1 equal to 1, and a plus a bar equal to 1.